Hi, so in this video we will see how to start a new Django project. First of all, create a folder where you want to store your project. Let's call it my project. We'll open the same folder that we just created. Open. Now the first thing that we need to do is create a virtual environment. To create a virtual environment, you open up the terminal. In the terminal you type python -m venv. So the first venv is for creating virtual environment, and second one is the name of the virtual environment. When I press enter, you'll see a folder venv appear here. Now this folder contains the copy of packages that we need for this project, and whatever the package we use in this project will be stored in this particular folder. Now before doing anything else like installing Django, we have to activate this environment first. For that you write source venv, the name of the folder. In that we have a bin folder, and then activate. With this you can see virtual environment is now active. If you are using Windows, then the command will be venv/script/activate. So this is for the Windows. Alright, so after this, after activating the virtual environment, what we need to do is install Django. To install Django, we will write pip install Django. Press enter. Django will be installed in the virtual environment. Alright, so Django is installed. The next step is to start a Django project. For that, we will use the command Django admin, then start project, and let's call this config, and a full stop at the end. It means just create the project in this current folder. If you leave this full stop, it is going to create a config folder. Inside that, it is going to again create a config folder containing the code. If I press enter, you will see a config folder here and manage.py file. Now if you try python manage.py run server and press enter, you will see the server has been started, and if you visit this link you can see this output. So this is how you start a new Django project. So the commands are, let's have a recap. So these are all the commands, all the steps: create a virtual environment, activate the virtual environment, and then install Django, start a Django project, and then start the server to test if your installation is working or not.